What is up, guys? Day 4?
Don't know.
Officially day 4 in Florida, and we are heading to Universal's Volcano Bay, which is their new, pretty sure opened this year, their new water park. And so it's going to be fun. It's going to be nice to spend some time in the water, as it's been so hot since we've been out here. So it's going to be nice to ride some. What?
I said today's the sunniest day.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just going to be nice to just, you know, relax in the pool, go down some slides, eat some good food, and have fun. It's already open. We should be there about 11. It did open at 10, but not too bad. It's open till 6. Then the plan after that is to go to Cheesecake Factory, which is one of our favourite American restaurants, and then go train tonight, but not too late because the gym closes at 11 p.m. I'm not sure if it's anything to do with Hurricane Irma, but yeah, it's closing early tonight. Okay, so we just got here. Now, I plan to use my GoPro. I've just noticed like the battery's dead on it, so it must have been on for whatever reason. The battery's just been drained, so no GoPro footage, unfortunately. Okay, so quick little update. Went on the biggest ride here, which is the ride at the top of the volcano. You're standing vertically, then there's a trapdoor below you. They release that and you just drop, and then you go so fast, and then obviously you land at the pool at the bottom. It's like a 125-foot drop. That was like so fast. But bad news is that I lost my band and I need to get on every ride there, so I need to go and get a new one with the ticket. Yeah, there's probably not going to be a whole lot of footage from Volcano Bay, but I'll try and get some if I can. Obviously you guys will see it right now.
George, smile.
Okay, so right now I'm going to show you a little bit around. So this is the wave pool. Now let's go see what this slide's all about. Brilliant! That was good. This is the lazy river. Okay, now let's go see what this slide's all about. Okay, so we've left Volcano Bay now, had a really good time there. It did actually, all the rides had to close like half an hour before it ended because there was basically a storm coming. Not Hurricane Irma, but apparently there was some lightning supposedly supposed to be coming. So yeah, they had to shut all the slides and everything down. And then we obviously got changed, had a shower and whatever. Then we went to wait for the bus, and it just started hammering it down a rain, which was it was long overdue, to be honest, the rain, because there's been dark clouds all day. So we're currently driving in the pouring rain on the way to the Cheesecake Factory now. I'm so hungry, just cannot wait to get some food in me.
Oh, you want to get a tea across
Okay, so what you just saw there was the shelves in Walmart, in particular the water aisle, the bread aisle, and also the soda aisle, and the bananas as well. All like pretty much completely wiped out, and that is pretty much down to Hurricane, what's it called? And that is pretty much down to Hurricane Irma coming soon. Okay, so after Volcano Bay, obviously we went to the Cheesecake Factory, had an amazing meal as always, had the ribeye steak. It's always cooked to perfection there. I don't really know how they do it, how they stay so consistent with the preparing and the cooking of it, but it was so good. I had that with mashed potatoes, green beans and sweet potato fries. Then we shared some cheesecake. We had the salty caramel one, but like I was just so full, like so much volume of food, and now I'm kind of in a food coma. So yeah, we went to Walmart and now we're back. It's only like 9:30, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to go to bed pretty soon. So I'm going to end this video here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, make sure to give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you next time. Peace.